In 2024, scientists saw something amazing in the Whirlpool Galaxy. No, not a giant washing machine, but a planet as big as Saturn 28 million light-years away. They spotted it by watching its gravity briefly brighten a distant star. If it's real, it reminds us the universe is full of surprises. And here's a fun fact. If that planet mailed us a postcard at a speed of light, it would take 28 million years to arrive in Earth.
What?
Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is about 100,000 light-years wide and holds hundreds of billions of stars circulating a giant black hole called Sagittarius. Nearby are two smaller dwarf galaxies, the large and small Magellanic Clouds, each sparkling with new stars. Think of them as Milky Way's little brothers hanging out around the family barbecue. The Milky Way is a part of a local group, a galaxy club with over 50 members. Our biggest neighbor, Andromeda, is zooming towards us at 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4.5 billion years, they'll crash and merge into one giant galaxy nicknamed Milkomeda. Grab your cosmic popcorn, it's going to be a show. Zoom out more, and the local group is just a speck in the Laniakea supercluster, a vast galaxy city of over 100,000 galaxies stretching 500 million light-years. All roads, well, space lineages lead to the Great Attractor, a mysterious puller of galaxies hiding behind our own. It's like the universe's busiest roundabout. And a fun fact, no GPS works there. Good luck finding an exit. That's what it tells the galaxies around. At the biggest scales, galaxies form a giant web, filaments of the stars and gas crisscrossing the cosmos with huge empty voids in between. Take it as a spider's web. Astronomers map this cosmic web by using light from quasars, brilliant beacons as far as 13 billion years away. It's like connecting the dots to see the universe's skeleton. Most of the universe is invisible. Dark matter is a hidden glue, making up 5 times more stuff than normal matter. We can't see it, but we feel it's a pull on stars. And then there are rogue stars, stars kicked out of galaxies by black holes, cruising alone in the void, maybe with planets in tow. We can see out about 46 billion light-years, but beyond that, the universe keeps going. Some scientists imagine wormholes or warp drives to travel vast distance. Still, pure science fiction for now. As for life, we know Earth's extremophiles survive in boiling hot springs and deep-sea vents. Maybe similar hardly life exists on distant exoplanet, or even on rock worlds wandering intergalactic space. From Galileo's first telescope to today's space missions, each discovery has opened new frontiers. What lies beyond our galaxy, that mystery is waiting for the next generation, meaning you. Join projects like galaxy zoos or backyard worlds and help map the universe. Grab your curiosity and maybe a sense of humor, and let's explore the final frontier together. As the J.B.S. Haldane says, the universe is stranger than we imagine and stranger than we can imagine. Let's keep on exploring. Until next time, like, share and subscribe if you want to see more contents like this, and have a good day.